Boy thumped it hard. Big old bluegill.
Solid.
I'll take that. Great way to start off the day. It's bigger than my hand. That's excellent. Gonna let him go. Far from the boat. Little bluegill. Yeah. Cool. Not too bad.
Oh wow, that's a nice one.
Let him go. Good color. You got another little bluegill.
Nice.
Cool.
What time is it?
I don't know.
9:09, man. Pushing the hour, so
Yeah.
let's turn on.
Cool. I'll take him. Awesome. Got a pickerel. Oh, he busted me off his pickerel.
Oh, nice.
Oh, that's a close one.
Nice.
Nice.
Ah, he's loose. Shucks.
Got him. I'm gonna square up the boat real quick. Alrighty. That was kind of chaotic, but I still got him. Again, it's windy as all get out. That was nice. Thank you, then. Cool. Do you mind putting down the anchor up here real quick? Yeah. Show off the camera in one moment. Yeah. I hope so.
That's nice. Ooh, that's a
Nice. Busted me off. Here, little fella.
anchor down right now.
I think we're fine for now. I'm gonna tuck us in. It's a long one. Sheesh. We're gonna let him go. Crappie.
Good?
Yeah. Nice slab.
Ooh.
Nice male, I think. Cool. Cool. Let him go. Yep. Nice bluegill.
All right.
Yeah, for sure. If I get a perch, I'll have the panfish slam. Cool, let him go. Yep. Cool. I knew I saw something. Didn't even get to start my camera. As soon as it hit the ground.
You brought the camera, yeah?
Yeah.
So you really up in your
That's a nice one, actually. This is a slab.
Oh, yeah, wow.
How's it going? Cool. Big old bluegill.
Nice.
Big old bluegill. Switch up my battery real quick. Cool. Go, let him go. Wow, wasn't even expecting that. Followed it up and hit it. Cool. Let him go. Yeah. Uh-huh. Crappie. That's a big plate. Yeah. Handsome. Cool. Sorry. Awesome fish, guys. Let him go. Drilled it. Drilled it hard. Boy. This guy.
Oh, nice.
I dropped it out of the bush, and this guy demolished it as soon as it came out of the bush. Awesome fish, guys. Gonna let him go. Yeah. Teddy bass.
Jersey Slam, baby.
Yeah, you're right. Jersey Slam.
Awesome.
Totally forgot about that. That's cool. Jersey Slam. Came close to queening yesterday. Got it done today. I'll take it. Awesome. Well, I'm good. Sorry. Fuck. Alright. Alright. Sorry about that. Alright. Sit down. There you go. You want to hit this one? Cool. Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, it was. Nice. Cool.
Let me drive.
I got it for now. I'll take that. That's cool. I'm getting a rain warning in like 20 minutes.
If I didn't think that there was a slam.
Speaking of it, right? Yep. Well, you got one. One last one. You look at him?
Oh, geez. That's quite fun. Awesome.
There we go. Finally got him. Might be the last one. Let him go. Today it was calling for. Yesterday was supposed to be the rainy day. Today is supposed to be a nice day. Let's see, pretty much the opposite today. That one. Yep. Crappie. Yep. Came up and drilled it. Cool. Missed a few pickerel a while back, but caught this crappie kind of in similar area, so that's cool. Hey folks, just want to show you guys what I'm working with nowadays. Last time you guys seen me, I think I was in the F-150. I might have shown you guys this, I might have gone over it, but I forget, so I'm just going to do it again, just in case people haven't seen it. Yes, this is the new 2022 Ford Ranger. I had the F-150 for a while, guys, but like I said, it was really struggling there towards the end. It was kind of scary taking it out anywhere past, like, you know, half an hour away, because I wasn't sure if I was going to be needing AAA. So, you know, with me working and me wanting to really take advantage of all the lakes around me, I, you know, decided that it's probably the best decision for me to undergo something like this. So that's exactly what I did. I went to the dealership, worked out something, and again, now I'm locked in for a couple years, but hey, that also means that I have a piece of reliable equipment with me as well. So again, there's balance in life, you know, there's positives and negatives. So again, this is definitely positive in my eyes. I got the Ford F-150. It came with the hitch, luckily, so I didn't have to go anything extra with that. I put the liner in myself. That's a WeatherTech. I really do enjoy it. I also put this in. Really simple, really easy. I can go over that if you guys want me to. Like I said, got the hitch. It's got it all towed up to the boat. And again, it pulls like a charm. Haven't really had any issues, knock on wood, so far. And yeah, guys, I'm really enjoying it. Really satisfied with the whole deal. Really looking forward to going on some ventures this summer. I'm taking it out to some certain lakes that I haven't been to, you know, in the past couple years. So stay tuned for that. I might, you know, again, might go out to new spots. I'm trying to think of anywhere in particular, but I don't want to give away the names. So yeah, that's, again, I'm just thinking. Speaking of fishing, me and my dad, again, we were out here today. We had a really fun time. I was able to catch a whole Jersey Slam. I got bass, perch, crappie, pickerel, bluegill, basically the 5 major species. And again, my dad, he had a lot of hits on the jig. He's been really working that out. Again, really close. I have a feeling next time we'll be able to cross that off the list. And yeah, again, really great start to the season so far, guys. I can't remember if I really wanted to talk about anything else. I think that's pretty much it. So with that being said, guys, I do appreciate you guys watching the video up until this point. It is very cool. And if you guys could LSS, that would be appreciated. Again, that's like, share, subscribe. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Keep on casting.